Chat. How we doing, fellas? What's good? Welcome back to the streams. Yeah, this music's kind of depressing. Let me skip this forward. Wait, is there more lively music? How we doing, chat, though? What is good, man? Welcome back to the streams. Let's get into it, brother. Let's see. Yeah, this is jarring. I can't jump on into some more lively music. Wait. Copyright free in that. It's not the best opportunities to pick from. All right. We'll go with this. Same as always. Standard. Chat. How we doing, man? Welcome back to the streams. What's good? What's popping? Money talks? I wish. I'm gonna get a copyright strike straight away from that one. We're out here. Chat. What is good? Welcome back to the streams. I was about to say good morning, but it's not the morning. Let me put the AC on. It's getting hot in here, man. All right, welcome back. How we all doing, chat? How's everyone's London session? Hopefully we're chilling right now. Not really many trades London session for me, to be honest. Just new PA was going to be shipped before NY and didn't even plug the computer in before it. Nah, bro. Basically, I had no power all morning. So, like, basically I got an email from the power company saying, yeah, peak, but you're not going to have power until 1 o'clock. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go gym early. Got the gym out the way. We're gonna have to go double glasses again, chat. Fuck it. Right. Let's get into it, man. Let's do a little breakdown. It feels good to be back for New York, to be honest. I missed New York session with you guys. I missed it. So, iconic. It's gotta be done. All right, basically, chat, let's see what we have here. So first of all, let's jump onto the Forex factory here. We have some news today. Tell me to short it. I'm looking at longs, to be honest, but here we go. Anyway, Jolt's job openings at 3 p.m. That's how long? 2 hours from now. Got rocked by the quake? No, I didn't feel it out here. Eugene messaged me this morning saying, like, did you feel that earthquake? We didn't really feel it. But, yeah, with that being said, chat, we do have Jolt's job openings at 3 p.m. UK time. So about 2 hours from now. The plan for me, to be honest, is to be done for the day before news even comes into the question. Yeah, Eugene's on holiday again, bro. This guy never works. He's just always fucking about. Most unserious bloke. But nah, look. Yeah, chat. Realistically, let's just jump on here. So the weekly time frame did make a top wick for the previous. We have jumped up due to all of the fundamental factors over the weekend. Now, daily time frame 2 did close above here. Now, on the daily, we genuinely have clear range here until the top of the next level. You have room up towards 34.30 at least, I would say, to be honest. Yeah, Jed's definitely going IB far. And yeah, anyway, 4 hour time frame here has made like a bit of a low, which is quite good, to be honest. I do believe this is like a pullback for us to continue back up. Now, 2 hours, same thing. 1 hour's been struggling. Now, the most important thing here is we actually have a very strong level right here on the 1 hour. Whereabouts was it? 33.57 around here? Yes. So that is our strong level. You do have a minor rejection area here, but as you can see, we did actually close below it, but we are pushing back up from here. So if you can close back above that level, start to close above these highs here. I'm looking at a fake out potentially. So that should be decent here to take you up. To be honest, actually, we can have this as our next range as well up here. 33.65. You have about 70 pips until there from now. But then realistically, after that, it's clean traffic all the way up towards 33.76. I will take into account this small level right here. So we'll just leave like a little blue line on that. Just so we don't forget it. But realistically, I think, first of all, buys here potentially, if everything starts to print correctly. We do need some market structure shifts though, because not looking too hot right now. You do have a 5-minute change of structure here. But we'll see what happens next. 15-minute closing in about 10 minutes as well. But yeah, after that, sorry, so buys above 33.65 look beautiful to take you up towards this area right here, 33.76. Now, if you do start to come back down though, chat, we have a different story as well. So I'm going to want to see probably, let's just take a look. Where do we need a closure below for the sells? There's no history this way. Yeah, all right, fuck it. Let's just drop to the 30 and take a look. So I think, yeah, I think any closure below 33.55 here is good for the sells. That should take you down a lot further, to be honest. I mean, potentially below here could be even better, because you do have a lot of wicks in this area as well. But every time you do close back down below here, yeah, let's leave it at 33.53. If you can close below there, sells look absolutely perfect. And yeah, chat, that's realistically the analysis. That is realistically the analysis. I'm going to wait for, if you do close above, like we said, above this high right here, that's a serious change in structure here on the 1 hour. And there's no real reason why you shouldn't fly up towards 76 then at that point. All right, makes sense? Chat, hopefully the analysis makes sense to you. If it does, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, all that good shit. And yeah, from now on, chat, all we have to do here is just wait, take a little bit of a rest. Remember, we do have news later as well, so you do want to be a little bit careful. What's good? That's a difficult name to read. What W are you doing? W. Okay. Bro, I took buys at 11 o'clock, got smacked, but it looks good. Was it valid? Can you analyze on a 30-minute closure? 11 o'clock UK time. Here. Yeah. So you closed respecting this level, right? Where is that? I have a level here somewhere to the left. Here. You close respecting the level. So essentially, for me, I would have wanted a closure above this 57.7 area. Also, you notice how we were struggling in the 5-minute range here at that point, right? You were struggling. You only started to make the push up once liquidity was grabbed here. You swept all these lows and then started to make the push upwards. So for me, what I would have needed was essentially that liquidity being grabbed from below and then a push upwards from there, if that makes sense. So yeah, realistically for me, I think two things. You probably could have waited for that closure above. And secondly, we could have had, we needed a liquidity grab essentially. But the idea was right. I think your idea was completely right, because this is a strong rejection area right here. But we just need to see like some more confirmation, to be honest. If that makes sense? See my position at 33.63, Sam in the trading chat, got bummed B. It was on futures, bro, almost the same. Thanks. All right, no worries, bro. Yeah, I'm not sure how different the futures chart is, to be fair. I mean, it is a little bit different. Sometimes the lows don't get swept the same and everything like that. Jed, let me see this trade you were talking about. Where'd you go break even there? You took sells from where? The top of this range here? No, you took sells from the top of this range. 62. Oh, bro. That's so peak. From here, right? That's peak. Yeah, maybe a bit aggressive on the BE. I don't know. You'd have to send me your analysis, not just the MT5 screenshot, right? You streaming NY, mate? What's good, Jar? How's it going, brother? Basically, this morning I had no power in my house, so I just went to the gym early and then said I'd stream NY instead. Yeah, that's about it. But to be honest, if NY does well today, if you guys enjoy NY, I might switch over to the NY streams for YouTube, because I don't know, I feel like there's a bigger audience that trades New York session. How's coaching, bro? You already introduced some new things? Yes, sir. We're introducing some we're introducing a lot of new things, to be honest. We introduced a trading audit, we introduced a 90-day action plan, we introduced weekly coaching calls as well with the group, and obviously the one-on-ones, right? We got the band back together. I know, bro. It's been a while since we've had everyone in here. It's good to see, though. Very, very good to see. This is a pretty important closure right here. Hey, bro, I don't know about Apex. Is it right that you pay 167 per month for one eval, even if you are funded? No, once you're funded, the monthly payment should stop. If you pay the one-time activation fee, you should be good. But also, if you use code TRLS, it's not going to be 167 bucks a month. It's going to be a lot less. Yeah, TRLS on Apex currently is 71% off. But often it's 80% as well. But 71% is pretty fucking good, to be honest. Is it one-time fee after being funded? Yes, sir. You pay an activation fee one time, 140 bucks. And then you're funded and there's no like monthly payments basically. Chat, gold is ripping right now. Should come up and retest these highs here, to be honest. Actually, what kind of payout method you use? Using a US bank or international? International, brother. I don't have a US bank, unfortunately. Kind of wish I did, but I don't. Bow, 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 bow. So 25k Val I've had for a couple of months now, so just gonna full port it? Yeah, send it. If you can afford to lose it, then send it. Why not? So we have a strong level here as well, chat, right now that you're starting to reject off of a little bit. If you close above there, you should probably see a continuation upwards. Remember, the 1 hour close though is in 5 minutes, so just be careful here. Be careful. Bit of a rejection as well. Very interesting. To be fair, 5 minute open up bottom wick, but we did fail to respect this area right here, which is interesting in my book. Yeah, futures is good, to be honest. Like, I do think there's a lot. Oh shit, actually I need to set up, wait, let me log in. Thank you for talking about futures in the chat. I forgot completely to set up like my copy trader right now. That would have not been good. The thing with futures is there's like, you're essentially trading on the market, right? So there's less spread. There's also pretty much no slippage. Can we take a moment to appreciate the shades on top of the head for the stream, W? It's the double glasses maneuver, Matt. It has to be done. What's good then, Matt? Hopefully you're good, brother. Is there futures brokers? Yeah, there is, but I don't know how futures brokers work, to be honest. I think you have to pay a monthly payment to get the data with futures brokers. Because like basically you need the live data, otherwise your trading view is like 10 minutes behind. I don't know if that is true. I could be wrong there, Raze, but I think so. What I've been doing, better see in your face? Ah, cute. What I've been doing, to be honest, is I've been just trading my live futures, a live account, sorry, on Forex, because I prefer Forex execution anyway. Like MetaTrader 5 still feels nicer to me than anything on futures. Trading view's good, but it feels a bit like demo trading, I can't lie. Futures is not the same chart as XAUUSD. Why do you analyze on the Forex chart? It's a good question. They're pretty similar, to be honest, but the reason being, it's just a familiarity thing, you know, I'm used to it. And also you don't get gaps like this. Like look at this futures chart right now. It's pretty much untradeable. Like you have massive gap here, big gap here. Like every single daily candle has a big gap. So for me, it's just a lot more familiar to actually just trade on a Forex chart. If that makes sense. 2 minutes here, chat, to the 1 hour close. Make sure you've dropped a like if you haven't already, by the way. Let me load up new Apex copier. Wait, I need Apex number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should be 10, 11, but I guess I counted wrong. What am I trading? MGC August. And then, chat, we're good to go. We are good to go right now. To be fair, also, what I've noticed as well recently, I kind of do like the futures chart, like the NinjaTrader execution platform as well, rather than TradingView. Only reason I don't use it is because you can't have like a stop loss and TP, same as you can on TradingView. But you probably could, but I'm just enjoying this right now. See, look, you can actually trade on NinjaTrader as well. Basically like MT5, right? You just change the quantity here, buy, sell, close. Oh, 13 is too much. All right, nice. We're in business, chat. We're in business. 1 minute till the closure. Structure's good on the 5 minute, to be honest. You're making some highs. I feel like you need to close above this level here, though. Seems like a bit of a techie level for us. Was it hard getting used to contracts instead of lots? It was until I moved to TradingView, right? Until I moved to actually trading on TradingView. That's why I paid for the NinjaTrader copy trader. If you don't have a copy trader, if you're trading one account, it's easy, right? But because then now I can do stuff like this, right? And you can just go, all right, I want to risk this, and I want to put my TP here. And then obviously now all you have to do is just change this until you see the number that you want down here, you know? Now you're risking the perfect amount. So frustrating, bro, taking the L. Brother, it's a part of trading, unfortunately. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. Look, you're not going to catch every move. Sometimes the move's going to be made without you. But as long as you take a lesson away from it, then it shouldn't frustrate you too much. The main thing that you should take away from that trade is waiting for liquidity, I think. And waiting for a closure above the level, right? So check to the left. Those are the two things from now on. I want to come on your one-on-one. Yeah, brother, feel free. I don't know if we have any spaces. I'd have to check. But if you do want to apply, just I would say shoot me a DM on Instagram. It can be a game changer, to be honest. Or tell me your Discord name or Instagram name and I'll DM you. Can't make an inlet without breaking omelet without breaking a few eggs. Nice little correction. All right, 1 minute, 1 hour close. Sorry here, chat. No real wick actually. I'll DM you now. Nice. Omelet, what a funny word. It is a funny word. I think it's French. Chat, see, like the problem with it now at the minute is, yes, this is a great bullish closure here on gold. Don't get me wrong, but look at the structure still on the 1 hour. The structure's still bearish here. So at any point, right, chat, this could just be liquidity now for us to do this and then continue down like that. So you need some sort of confirmation. For me, that's most likely going to be a change in structure. You didn't even close above these 15 highs here, right? Oh, is it laggy? Okay, is that copy trader linked to TradingView laggy? Does it lag? No, not really. I mean, I've had like some differentials. So you can see basically, if you look at my accounts here, wait, let's do this. Forget this one here, because I traded this separately. But look, you can see like small differences. So, you know, this one's 0.7, this one's $2 higher, this one's $2 higher, this one's $4 higher. So sometimes you have like a minor difference in between the trades. But realistically, nothing too crazy. And obviously, I don't really care about a $2 difference. Oh, wait, I don't want to close that. MetaTrader 5. I think MetaTrader 5 is still one of the best platforms. I agree. Thanks for the reply. I thought you meant the stream on the first question. And you put it in all caps, so I couldn't really ignore it. Chat, so you look at this push down right now. Now, this could be a 1 hour bottom wick. Or this could be the continuation we were talking about right now. So I'm very hesitant to take buys yet. I need some more confirmation. We might have to move to MY streams full-time, chat. We might have to. I feel like most people aren't even awake during the London streams. Yes, bro? Do NY only? I'll put a poll in the Discord. Actually, I can do a poll here as well. London or NY streams? Question mark, question mark, question mark. And the answer is going to be London, NY. Start poll. All right, chat, answer the poll. Whichever one you want. Do 3 London session streams and 2 NY session streams a week. That's not a bad idea, bro. I'm gonna be on shifts now. Night shifts, day shifts. Stripper pole? What is stripper pole? That came out of nowhere. Both? I can't do both. I tried it before. Remember we did it for like 6 months. I did both. Do both, you bum. It's weird that you're talking about my bum, to be honest, but there you go. London streams are mad early. I hear that. Yeah, maybe. I'm too lazy to wake up that early. I hear it. I think because the time difference in Cyprus, like the London streams for me are 10 a.m. London streams for me is 10 a.m. Both is a long shift. I did both for about 6 months, and at the end of every New York stream, I was like, fucking passing out. London stream before you move were good? Yeah. Did I understand it right? You bought 10 times 50k Apex challenges, paid 100 times $167, copy traded all to one account and passed it. Now you're trading 10. No. I bought about 25 Apex challenges but I used code TRLS, right? And I got 90% off all of them. So I paid a total of $16 for each of them. And then passed them quite aggressively, passed 10 out of the 25, so about a 40% hit rate. And then I ended up actually, paying the activation fee on those 10 accounts for $140 each. And now I trade, it's 11, but yeah, now I trade 11 accounts. If that makes sense. You should have guest speakers to trade with you. Bring me in. Chat, next week, one of my boys from home is pulling up, and he's never traded before, but he wants to learn to trade. I was thinking we could do it on stream. Good to know. Thank you. No worries, brother. Chat, ripping down here. See exactly what I said, right? Exactly what I said. I'm not gonna lie, I had a buy on evaluation here. Obviously just got stopped out break even on it earlier. Or no, just now, but I had it from earlier. I was gonna try and take it up towards the top of the range, but there you go. I was on an ACG account actually. Brother looked like going to fuck lit party later. Let him full port one of your accounts, get him hooked. I'll let him full port an evaluation, right? But there's no way I'm letting him full port one of my live accounts. No chance. Imagine, bro. Imagine he accidentally goes on my live Forex account, like my brokerage account. Full port. I just hit the MT5, like. Fuck. It's either going to be like instant millionaire or instant broke. Chat, we are melting down here. What time's comics open again? 20 minutes? 20 minutes, right? Chat, since I moved to Cyprus, I have no perspective on time. I can't lie. Like, my time management is really not good. Millionaire. This is a fucking huge candle right now, chat. 100 pips in about 7 minutes. Very interesting. Looks like we might close below as well, chat. If you do close below, we have room now down towards, on the 30 minute, down towards this level here. That's not a bad position, to be honest. If you can get a retest, right? Stops above this high. TP down at the bottom of the range, just like a 1-to-1. Not bad. Is it valid on the 15? Maybe. But this could also be a liquidity grab from the opposite way, right? Got a snipe zone at 45. Yeah, this is pretty much my level, right? 46, 45. Yeah, around here, right? That's pretty clean. Can we make a meal today, chat? Probably not. Hey, no, actually, we can. Bob the Builder, yes, we can. You know what I mean? Four-hour liquidity taken already? Was that a 4-hour close? Nah, you did break the 4-hour lows though. I'm getting angry. I'm getting really sick of this. Interesting, chat. We're starting to reject those. So, bro, chat, if this flips, I feel like you probably go to the moon here. A lot of potential right now, chat. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Stick around, because I think we can get some positions here shortly. 5 minute, previous 5, no bottom wick, current 5, no top wick. 40 seconds, will it flip or not? That's the question. At least flip to the moon. It might do. 5 minute, it looks like it's probably not going to flip though. I so nearly just clicked the buy button on the other screen by accident then. I went to close down the tab and it's right next to the buy button. I so nearly clicked it. That would have been no bueno. Five-minute flipping. Patience, chat. Patience is a virtue here right now. Like, let me show you something quickly. A lot of people think they have to get to payouts within like a couple of weeks or within a week, couple of days. Chat. I've been trading these Apex accounts right now, the live Apex accounts for how long here? Let's check. I think like genuinely 25, 23 days or something like that. So over a month probably, 23 trading days. If it loads. Yeah, good website. Yeah, look, 24 days on most of these. Obviously this one's only got 4, but 24 days. Bro, you do not have to pass accounts or you do not have to get payouts like this, right? The money is still going to be there. If you take 50 days, if you take 2 days, it doesn't matter. You're more likely to actually be successful if you can keep an account as well. I don't know if you guys know, but a statistic is, a prop firm owner actually told me this, but the owner of a very large prop firm told me that 90% of all funded accounts get failed within the first week of buying them, right? So if you can keep an account for more than 1 week, that means you're already in the top 10% of all prop traders. Do you know how insane that is? If you can keep an account for a week, you're in the top 10% of traders. So try not to beat yourself up when you're not getting like crazy fast results. Like I said, if this takes me 50 days to get a payout, 60 days, who gives a fuck? I do not care. The only thing that matters is getting to that payout eventually, right? And obviously, when you have such a large scale like this, where I'm trading like over $500,000, you know, if it takes me 2 months, the payout's still going to be like 30, 40K. I'll take a 30, 40K 2-month time frame payout. Like, who wouldn't? That's 15K a month, basically. You know, there's no need to be rushing it. Trying to pass one in 1 to 2 months isn't realistic? Yeah. Also, you should be able to keep them once you've got them, right? I mean, realistically, it depends. With Apex, I think you shouldn't be taking too long. With Forex props, I think you should be taking your time. I kept my first 5K around 2 months before losing it by hitting max daily loss whilst being up on the account. Exactly, bro. Good shit, Rentero. So chat, like for me, I think you have to think about trading in milestones. The milestone, because if you think about trading milestones as just money, right? It's obviously going to be like this. It's going to be trading milestones. If you think about money, it's going to be no money, and then eventually all the way down the line, it's going to be like made some money, right? So that's not really a good way to track your trading. What you should be thinking of is, okay, you know, kept an account a week, and then maybe next time you blow that account, but next time you keep it for a month. Then maybe you pass phase 1, and then on the next account, maybe you pass phase 2, and then on the next one, maybe you get funded and keep that a week, and then on the next one, you can get a payout, you know. But as long as you're slowly and steadily making progress, it doesn't have to be immediately a 10K payout or whatever. The most important thing is realistically, is each time you're trading or each time you have a setback, the next time are you getting past that? If you are, that's all that really matters. So you should really break down your trading into milestones like this, rather than actually just thinking about, am I making money or not? Because at that point, you're setting yourself up for failure personally. Anyway. What is gold looking to do here? So the funny thing is as well, you did sweep the lows right here. You did come down and sweep these lows. So like, you see, you have these wicks down here. Essentially the way this works is you'll have like resting liquidity right here or below this low. You've come down and swept that, grabbed essentially a lot of bullish orders right now. There'll be loads of buy orders waiting around here, here, here. You've grabbed all these orders, started to reject. If you want to push up now, you can do it. Alternatively, you might need to come down a little bit further, right? But essentially, it's just a good confluence to look at. We swept the lows and rejected. Maybe you start to see a push up here. I would have liked to see an immediate rejection, which we haven't formed. So maybe you come down further right now because we have some closures. But that's just the way I'm thinking about the charts, right? Does that make sense? Should do. W3 value. Always W3 value. Oh, chat, this might be nice. 15-minute close, by the way. 15-minute did close below structure. One more push. I would need to see like I need to see some closures. I can't take it just off the push downwards because realistically the structure is still very bearish. On the 1 hour at least, the structure's consistently bearish. But chat, I was speaking about this yesterday actually. You see right here we have this move downwards. Sometimes this is the way that we grab liquidity, right? Just a slow consolidation downwards. That's still liquidity being grabbed right there. So realistically, anything could happen right now. You have comics open as well in 5 minutes. Is that right, chat? I think it is. It's 1:20 in UK right now. Yeah, so comics open in 5 minutes. Or is that... Wait, chat, my time zones are fucking... That is frying me right now. Yeah, okay, thank you, Jar. It's really difficult to convert time zones now. I don't know why. Free value and free like button, smash it. Hey, Mark, I appreciate it. Yeah, it should be smashed. Chat, let's get to 40 likes on the stream so far. Much love. Cool. Looks like we might close below here on the next 5 minutes. You got 2 minutes until that as well. But the wicks are pointing upwards here. You do have wicks to the downside overall. So for me, that's a decent indication of the direction that we do want to end up going here. Sells are not valid here. They are if I get a closure, right? I needed like a 30-minute closure to be honest. Because for right now, we still closed respecting this range. So this is where it's difficult because it could be this could be liquidity being grabbed from below here to continue back up like that. And then once this 30-minute and hourly candle flips, you're gonna go to the moon, right? But if you get a closure, that's a bit of a stronger confirmation for me that we're actually good to continue down here. We were trying to break the low again. All right, now it's too cold in my room, bro. 15-minute closure not enough. The 15-minute actually closed kind of respecting. I don't really like it too much here. Good to 40 to 33, 44 or 43. Sorry, yeah, maybe. I thought the fire alarm started going off. Oh, I didn't know you guys could hear that. To be fair. What's good, MC? How's it going, brother? You're on gold spot, I'm on futures, yeah. Close below? On the 1 minute, yeah. Not on 5 yet. Oh, on futures are closed below. Okay. I get it. Yeah, man. Let's see what we do here, chat. Wagwan just out doing the weekly ribeye shop. W, bro. I can't lie. That's the one thing I'm missing out here. Steaks are like disproportionately expensive in Cyprus. Like, I'm talking like 100 quid for a steak at a grocery shop, and I'm not even paying that, to be honest. I mean, it's probably a good steak, but 12 pips this morning. Good shit, Jay. Good stuff, my friend. Trying to re-rate the low here. Is it going to do it? Asia low, overall respect here. Need to step down to my level and I'll look for a buy. Asia low. Oh, you did just sweep the low though. But yeah, maybe just a liquidity grab. I lost 800 quid this morning with a bank account of like 1.7k. What lesson does that teach you, brother? I know that's the last thing you want to hear, right? But you need to make sure you risk appropriately. How climates are bad for farming beef? They import most of it? Yeah, it's pretty much all imported. They grow like lamb, They farm lamb and like pork and chicken out here, but no beef. Which is tough, to be honest. But then again, like the Cypriots don't really eat that much beef. Oh, there you go. Nice little push down here, chat. 5-no top wick. Very interesting. That might be it. Jar's like, yeah, I caught right here. Jar's like, yeah, I'm in from this area right here. Cyprus, a Muslim country? No, it's very, very strongly Christian, my friend. Very strongly Christian. Greek Orthodox. Northern Cyprus is Muslim, right? Because there's like Turkish occupation over there. Yeah, I knew it. I knew Jar caught that. But yeah, like, I don't know. It's interesting. But it's sick. I can't lie. There's a church every 10 meters here, which I really like. Been getting back into the religious side, to be honest. Fire. Yeah, it's actually sick. I can't lie. 5-minute pushing back up here, chat. This is incredible. Now what we can look for is if this 15 closes bullish here, chat, in about 8 minutes time, that can be my entry right there. But I can't take it off just a wick downwards. I need a confirmation personally. So let's see what this 15 does. Turkish side is not really religious. Fair. I think the Cypriot side is extremely religious. Chat, should we do a giveaway again? Should we do a giveaway? I have an Apex free evaluation to give away right now. What should we do? How many viewers are we on right now? 70? What should we give away? 70 people in here right now. How many likes are we at? Oh yeah, okay, fuck it. Chat. If... What? Why did Nightbot warn you there? That's crazy. Yeah, 50 likes. If we get to 50 likes right now, I'll give away a free Apex account of any size. Can be a 300k account, can be a 150, can be a 50k, whatever you want. And you get the account like this as well. I already have the code. It's sat there on my screen right now. So you guys will have the account. You can trade this stream with it as well. 6 minutes here, chat, to the 15-minute closure. If you want to trade on that Apex account by the time the 15 closes, get us to 50 likes right now. Climbing. Someone's got to have to let me know when we get there though, because I don't really look at it. How do you give it away? I mean, from where do you select it? From people in chat. I'll select it from people in chat. So Nightbot does giveaways, right? I think, what's the giveaway command? Is it just exclamation mark giveaway? I think it is. Let's do this. What's good, AZA? Welcome back. Long time no see. Sexy trend is crazy, bro. Ja, what was your entry? 49? 49 flat? 49.1, I'm guessing. No, I'm gonna guess you got 49.2. Oh, you're on futures though, so you might have got like no slippage. This is nice though. 1 minute structure should shift once we close above here. 74. Oh, futures. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, nice. Yeah, I keep forgetting about that. The futures price is completely different. Do you still trade CFD? Yeah, of course. I just haven't been trading it as much recently, but I still trade it. And I will always still trade it, I think. I love futures. Forex, sorry. I like it. Was here just not typing always, and London always working, so I can't type. You're good, bro. Don't worry. You're good, you're good, you're good. This could be a nice 15-minute close here, chat. I would like to see us close above here on the 15. There we go. If you can do that, chat. Let's see, what have we done every time we close above here? Actually, let me make this a full line so I can actually see. Don't run without us though, chat. If it runs without us, we're cooked. Okay, there's no more history. Oh yeah, we're getting to the point where there's like no history, right? You're gonna buy into the lower high SG? I don't know if it's a lower high, bro. It could be. It could be, to be honest. It could be. But after sweeping all the lows and rejecting like this, I don't see that being an issue. Bro, this random guy was walking around shouting at randoms, walked in front of my car and said, "I will break your car, fucker." I just had to keep driving. Bro, Ireland's insane. Might just run for another 5 minutes. Yeah, chat, it might just run here, to be fair. Where did I want that closure to be? Oh, here. Remember, chat, look at the 1 hour right now. The 1 hour really has no top wick. Everything's still heavy bearish. We'll see what it does here, chat. See, chat, when I give some shit away, you guys can press the like. You know what that tells me? That tells me you guys are here, you're waiting, you can press the like, but you're choosing not to most of the time. How insane is that? $30 closes below what? This level here? Oh, it's a 30 close as well. Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay. That's a different story, chat. Because the 30 level is a little bit higher. Forgot about the 30 close, I can't lie. This is just about to be the best liked viewed ratio I've seen. Bro, I swear to God, one time we had like 100 viewers and we had like 90 likes. It was crazy. But yeah, W either way. Chat, I appreciate it. $51 likes? No way, bro. No way. Let me wait for this closure first, chat. I can't not be locked in right now. Are we on 51 likes? Legit? Yeah, we are. Fair play. Chat, you know what I could do right now? Just to fuck you all over. Just be like, actually, let's change the goal. Let's get to 60 likes. I'm not going to do that, though. I'm not mean. I'm not evil. No, don't do that. Imagine. Chat, look at him. 1 minute here to this closure. What's the 5 minutes saying? What's a good what's a good contract size for this position? I think I'll do 5. Yeah, not bad. Chat, is it me or did it close like exactly respecting? Also 30-minute close below most recent, right? Like if you look at the 30-minute right now, if we're looking at 30-minute levels, you actually did close below here. Yeah, I'm not taking anything here, chat. This is looking like it could be a wick fill right now. So buys here are definitely off the cards for me. 45 pips, W, bro. Congrats. Congratulations, Mr. Jar. About to see Jar on the record board for the biggest payout at, where is it? Top 1 or whatever. All right, chat. You know what that means? Actually, if I do a giveaway right now, everyone's going to take the... Ah, fuck it. I don't really care. All right, chat. Whoa, we're ripping. Ripping up, man. What's the command on Nightbot again? I think it might be giveaway. Exclamation mark giveaway. All right, chat. Wait, we need a drum roll. Let me get a drum roll up. I've got to build the suspense right now. By the way, chat, you have to type in chat right now to be eligible for the giveaway. So, wait, I need to give you guys like... I'll give you guys 30 seconds to... Oh, it's winner. Thank you, Noodle Holtz. You have to type a message in chat, otherwise it doesn't realize you're active, right? So type anything in chat. Type a 1, type a W, whatever it is. Otherwise, you're not going to be entered. What's good, SK? Ah, all the names coming out now, eh? I see you, chat. I see you guys. I see what you're playing at, man. Little accounts on the rise, accounts up for grabs, and everyone's like, oh, let me just start typing in chat. Yeah, sure. Yeah, cheeky. I can't lie. Tell him bring me my money. All right, chat. Let me run a drum roll real quick. Wait, how long does it take? All right, fuck it, wait. Is it gonna work? All right, let's do it. And winner is... No fucking way, bro. No way this guy wins. No shot, bro. Yo, surely I can't give it to a mod who's also already won a giveaway. Jed, I can't lie. I might have to just spread that one out. Because I've already given you a funded account this month. I'm gonna have to re-roll it, Jed. I'm gonna have to respin it. I can't lie. I'm sorry, Jed, but it's rigged. Clip that shit. Nah, what do you mean, nah? It's 2 months ago. Jed, you've already got an Apex pass that you haven't activated. I can't give you it. I can't. Chat, should we exempt all mods? Give it him. Ah, fuck. Yeah, I can't not give it to him either. Chat, you know what I'll do? Fuck it. Jed, you can have your account. You can have your account. But what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to give away another one. Why not? Fuck it, right? We'll give away another account right now. We'll give away 2 accounts. I gotta be generous, man. If Jed wins this one, he's not getting it. There's a 0% chance if Jed gets this one, he's getting it. He's out. Jed, you're out of this one. Jed, I swear to God, it was a 1 in 70 chance. It was not a 1 in 70 chance because you know why? You won the one before, which was about a 1 in 1,000, because there was like 1,000 entrants to the Instagram giveaway I did. So you won that one, and then you won this one. So that's like a 1 in a million, I swear. All right, chat. Right, you guys really have to like the stream and subscribe because I'm giving away 2 accounts right now for free. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Chat, type in chat to be entered, right? Remember, you have to make sure you type in chat, otherwise it's not gonna. I think it's like in the last minute you have to have sent a message. SG intimidating? Or me and Jed, yeah, sure. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Jed's still typing in chat. The winner is a Crypto Maniac, bro. Bro, I can't go to 2 mods. I can't lie. It can't go to 2 mods. That looks so rigged. How, bro, someone clip this shit. I swear to God that is not rigged. I swear to God. Is Crypto even in here? Crypto, do you want it? Yo, I need to take it off mod only mode. No, I'm joking. There's no such thing. He's not here. Turn off stream. Jed and Crypto on the mainframes. It's actually not even Nightbot. It's just Jed in the background typing names out. Mods have more. Nightbot's a scam. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna rerun it. I think Crypto would have given it back anyway. To be honest, I think Crypto would have given it back anyway. Next winner's Nightbot. All right, chat. 3rd time lucky here. 3rd time lucky. Let's run it. Are we ready? Start spamming the chat again. Start spamming the chat again. All right. Which mods are going to be now? Yeah, trust me. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, I sent it. Who's it going to be? And the winner is High Life. All right, not a mod. High Life deserves that, bro. I can't lie. High Life's the first guy on every single stream. The first message sent. That's respectable. High Life, you deserve that. If you're here, he should be here. What's good, Matt? I thought you were High Life then because of the orange name. That's why I said what's good. But then I realized, where is he? Man, I'm here, but can I pass it? High Life won, but he's giving it back. What a king. Exactly. What account size are you giving me? You can choose, bro. You can pick the maximum. You can pick a 50K. Someone probably needs it more. I'm here already. Ah, bro, you can take it if you want. You know that. You don't have to pass it on. There's no need. Whoa. My trading view just went full screen across both monitors. Are you sure you want to pass it on? Are we sure? I'll let you confirm your decision. Never-ending giveaway. I know this is a glitch right now. Yeah, dude, I have two challenge accounts already. Oh, brother. Well, that's very, very generous of you, my friend. All right, chat. Final giveaway. If this doesn't go to someone who is, I don't even know what to do. If this doesn't work, I'm taking it myself. Actually, no. I know what I'm gonna do. Actually, gold's pushing. I know, but there's no entry for me yet. I need closures, so this is why I'm doing the giveaway right now. All right, the magic finger of giveaway destiny. I've tried to give away this account 5 times. Jed won the first one. Who's gonna win the second one? 3, 2, 1. Sent. All right, man. All right. And the winner is unpronounceable name, but you do not subscribe to the channel. Ooh. Does he win it? He's not subscribed. Does he win it? He's not subscribed. No, I'm joking. You must be he must be subscribed because yeah. He must be subscribed because the chat's in subscriber only mode. The chat's in subscriber only mode, so he must be subscribed. That can't be right. Yeah. It's the chat subscriber only, so that must be a Nightbot glitch. We'll give it to him. You can call me Ben. All right, Ben. W. Nightbot must be rigged. Poll? No, chat. Oh shit, the 1 hour's flipping here, chat. Ben Anderson. Ben, where are you? Thank you, so no worries. Jed and Ben, DM me on. Does that say Ben Anderson? Imagine if that said Ben Anderson in a different language. That'd be so fucking funny. How much is 100k of Al when you pass it? Same fee, still 140 bucks, I think. DM me on Discord or Instagram, either one. And just send a screenshot of your YouTube account so I know it's you. Jed, I'll message you on TikTok or something, or Instagram. Nightbot takes huge polls. Nightbot tried to rig it, you know. Jed's definitely slipped Nightbot a cool $50 under the table. Chat, congrats if you won. Otherwise, look, that was just a bit of fun, man. We can start doing these giveaways a lot more often. You don't have my number? That's why I said Instagram or TikTok. I'll have a 50k. Bro, you get to choose it yourself when you check out. The code essentially gives you a free account of any size. Ropey, how Jed gets mod and the giveaway. Yeah, that is a little bit sketchy, I can't lie. Chat, 15-minute closure here shortly. If we close above this level, I think buys are very valid here. Grab so much liquidity right now. This is insane. This is gonna rock it. Check chat. Uh-oh. No way it says that. Fuck off. Oh, you expect element to it. Oh my days. You actually got me, Raze. You actually got me. That would have been... Bro, that would have been next level. You nearly got me. You actually nearly got me. I actually, in my head, was starting to imagine like a life where Ben had just gone undercover right now in chat. Oh, that would have been so good. That is class. Banter of the year winning. Top level banter from Raymond. Raymond is crazy. I almost got tears. Yeah, that's hilarious, bro. You actually nearly got me here. Can't be benefits, Eugene. True. I did not expect that win. Yeah, W, bro. Congrats. Do you think that walking treadmill ate him up? Maybe. Raise the master level manipulator? Yeah, I know, he got me. You actually just fed into my hopes and dreams. Boner candle. I know, this is insane. Chat, lock it in right here. We have a 15-minute close shortly. If we get a small pullback, we can take buys towards the top of the range. These buys here were nice, but the 15 close respecting, which is unfortunate. That is a sky dweller, technically. Just did not form how I wanted it to. 4-hour flip. 4-hour flip on Oanda as well, right? Oh, holy shit. Yeah, chat, this is... If it wasn't for the bearish structure, Rentor would have been in if it wasn't for these meddling kids. Love that show. Chat, 15-minute closing here. Let's see what we do. You have a break of structure on the 15 as well. Gold to come lower. Nah, not with that wick, I don't think. If this comes and grabs more liquidity, I don't even know what to say. That 15 would have been so good if it was bottom wick first. Bottom wick first there would have been so nice on price action, chat, but there's so much potential here right now. So much potential. We can do two things right now. We can see how this hourly closes. If it closes above here, we're in buys. If it closes above here, we're in buys. Otherwise, we wait for a pullback. Because I do think we continue up here. Trend lines go down to 33, 31. Nah, I don't think so. I think we push up from here. Everything's bullish right now. Everything's bullish right now. Apart from the higher time frame structure, I guess. I'm just waiting to catch the yearly flip. Stops above the yearly high. The poll has spoken. 86 votes. NY, yeah. NY streams, I think, might be the one. Price is IPA. Indian Pale Ale. What is that? The new, like... God, I tried to come up with a joke for that, but I just couldn't, I couldn't do it. Inefficient. Okay, fair enough. I did write to you through Instagram. All right, bro. I'm not gonna get you to. I'm not gonna get back to you until the end of stream, though. I can't be messaging on stream. Oh wait, actually. Because I'm pretty sure I said you can trade it. Chat, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you do join the free Discord that we have. 15 minutes pushing back down here. You did break the highs, though. This is weird price action here, chat. Weird price action right now. Send me a screenshot of your YouTube account just so that I know it's you. Oh wait, you said your name, to be fair. Dude's gonna full margin it on gold positions now? Yeah, maybe. You know this free of valor after a month? Do I have to pay a monthly fee for it? I couldn't tell you that. I don't think so. Retesting back into this level here though. I think realistically you might see a tap into here and then a continuation upwards. I think the best move here right now, chat, is to wait for the hourly close. It's also a 4-hour close, right, on Oanda? Yeah, it is. What a sniper would have been, 200 pips? One of them ones, right? Chat, this is a lot of volume right now. A lot of liquidity has been grabbed here too. Like a lot of liquidity. Jed, send me an Instagram DM so I can give you your account. Re-flipping here, chat, on the 1 hour time frame, sorry. Re-flipping, which is very interesting, but this could just be a retest, right? Now you do have a structure shift. This could be something like this playing out. Right, now you've got a structure shift, retest like that. Could be possible right now. But let's see. I'm gonna wait to the hourly close at least here, chat. Remember, you do have news in what, an hour and 10 minutes? So we might be waiting until that to make a larger move, to be honest. That's also a valid possibility right there. Could be doing anything right now, chat, to be fair. Right, Jed, I sent you a code for your account. And Ben, the new Ben, that is, I sent you a code also. So basically just go to Apex, buy an account, but before you do, use that as the promo code and you'll get any size account you want for free, right? Use it at checkout. Yeah, Raise, I can't believe that, like, bro, so close to pulling it off on me. If you didn't say it wasn't, I would have believed it. I would have fallen for that hook, line, and sinker. Thank you, sir. No problem. Yeah, Jed. Oh, no, you said cheers. All right. It fooled me? Yeah, bro. I died laughing before I even sent it. That was it was creative banter. I have to give it to you. Can you send the checkout code here, SG? I knew everyone would fall for it. Smart. For a brief second, I was so excited. Chat, see, look, the pip and dippers from the giveaway. This is why I don't do giveaways, man. This is why I don't do giveaways. You guys, well, not you guys are still here. We were on like actually, I don't give a fuck. Need to become the real one. Stay very true. Chat, I think New York streams might be the one. Chat, you're rejecting here though. See how lively chat went? I know, yeah. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, the freebies. It's insane, bro. I get another hour in bed if we do NY. It's good motivation, eh? In that case, I might trade London myself, or in the one-on-one group, or the one-on-one mentorship like section, and then I might trade New York on stream then. What time should I start the NY stream? Same as we did today, right? Like 12:30 UK. I don't think that's bad. What time did I go live? Yeah, 12:30 UK roughly. Because when's Comex opens 1:20, right? Comex open time UK. And then we have NYC open at, oh, it's 12:30. Nah. It's 120 UK. Yeah, I thought it was. What are you guys saying? 12. Raise, you said 12, 12.30, 12.45, or 1. It's got to be. It wasn't even one of them. Big volume kicks in at 2:30. Yeah, that's NYC Open. So NYC Open is the New York Stock Exchange. No, bruh. We're meant for stream start. Oh, okay. Okay, my bad. My bad. I just called you out there for zero reason, Raze. My apologies. Raze just caught a stray one for no reason. All right. Best prop firm for you? I'm glad you asked, Mr. Andrew. So for me, if you're trading Forex, the best prop firm is going to be ACG by a long way. Now, if you use code SG, you're going to get 20% off all of your accounts. But if you want to trade futures, Apex is by far the best prop firm for that because you can scale up to like over 6 million capital. So if you want to trade futures, code TRLS gets you 80% off Apex or 70% off at the minute. Thank you for the assisted plug. Let's drop. We'll see. This could just be a high or low being made. According to the structure right now, this could be high or low like this. Bang. Confirmations are important though. Chat, what are we gonna do here? How long is this code valid for? I've got no clue, bro. Just bro's trying to spread out his avowals. I respect it. Probably till like 2 months from now, something like that. I don't know, at least a month. But you gotta use it. Otherwise, I'm gonna use it tomorrow, and then you're locked out. All right, chat. Pushing up here. See what I mean, right? I'm pretty sure this was a higher low. 1 hour close here in about 5 minutes. 3 for the first month, then 103 for each month. Yeah, but just put a fake card in, bro, and then it won't charge you. Because you don't need an actual card. Just put like a bullshit card number in. Oh yeah, just wait. Either one, I don't care. Okay, 5-minute flips as well though, chat. How is this hourly gonna close? For me, hey DJ SG, can I have a shout out to Tom and Ollie?
Let's get a shout out to Tom and Ollie.
I can't be a DJ, bro. I tried to do a DJ voice. I cringed out halfway through. Shout out Tom and Ollie though. Yeah, W's. All right, chat. All right. This 1 hour needed to close bullish. I needed it to close bullish. However, bro, that really reminded me of something that I have forgotten about since my uni days. But there was like this club that we used to go to, and the DJ used to do shout outs. So you'd obviously just try and like stitch up your mates in the most you just try and stitch up your mates in the worst way possible. Can't really say it on stream, but it was funny. You know what? I'll give it away. Whoa. Mr. Jed giving the account away. Chat. Are we saying we got another giveaway? Holy shit. Infinite giveaways are back. Infinite giveaways. Watch this. Watch the chat go lively. Yeah, see, SK pops up again. GG pops up again. Chat, I know, I'm looking at you guys. All of the ones that pop up just for the fucking giveaways. I see you. I see you all. Bunch of giveaway whores. That's what you are. I just discovered your channel yesterday. Lots of good videos, and I love that free trading journal. It's the best I've ever used so far. W, bro. Good shit. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. We have a banger community here, man. It's one of the best in the trading space. The word giveaway is a viewer cheat code, SG. It also, I don't think that algorithm really likes it, to be honest. So I'm saying it on stream, but I'm not typing it. But yeah, you are right, Jar. It is. It is. I'm pretty sure the algorithm hates it. All right, chat. We'll do another giveaway. In fact, since we've already done the giveaways, we'll do the next giveaway towards the end. I'm not going to do it right now because how many likes are we on right now, chat? How many likes are we on? You know what I'm really tempted to do as well? I'm really tempted to just randomly drop the code. Like just randomly drop the code somewhere in chat or on a comment on my Instagram somewhere. Now you gotta do it now. Jed, I don't have to do it now. It's not the rules. I make the rules. You're in my matrix right now. I'm in a meeting in 2 minutes. I'll do it later. Chat, 1 minute till the hourly close. Remember, this is still a trading stream, right? It's not a fucking stake gambling giveaway. I'll use that bastard code now then. Use it then. Chat's gonna hate you forever though. Just know that. Chat, 1 hour's closing bearish here. This is interesting. Jed wants some love, that's why I gave it away. Yeah. If you want to wear 2 sets of glasses, guess what? He's gonna wear 2 sets of glasses. Wait. Fuck it. Chat, we're going for 4 sets of glasses right now. 1 hour closed doji. Oh my days. Chat. Wait. Stick these on the head too. Wait. Oh, chat, this is proving more difficult than I thought. Okay, there's 3. Wait. Oh, fuck. Chat, it's not working. 3. 4 sets of glasses, chat. Bro. Lucky man's here. Chat, we'll just stream like this from now on. I can't lie. Quadruple lines. No, not quadruple lines. Chat, bottom wick first. 30-minute close respecting as well. Good price, my friend. Very good price. Tries real hard for NY audience because I've got more energy, bro. Chat, 30 flipped as well. You might see a push up here. Not sure NY stream's a good idea. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. Good price, very good price. For you, my friend, €1. Is that a piece? I don't think that's... Am I gonna get cancelled, chat? Fuck it, you can't cancel me, I'm a trader. My income is not dependent on anything, really. It's a good look. I think it is a good look. I was trying to find my girl's glasses as well, but I don't know where she's hid them. TJR isn't cancelled? Yeah, it's very true. Thing is, with trading, right, you could cancel me right now. I'm still gonna make the same amount of money tomorrow morning. TJR's on something else? Yeah, I'm not quite at that level, bro. Like, this guy's just blasting out the N-word left, right, and center. I'm not sure that's the vibe I want to be going for, but... Where's Kata? I don't know, bro. I think he's just locked in. I can't really see too well. Miss these vibes? We're bringing it back, chat. To be honest, the vibes have always been here on London Session. Just, you guys don't want to wake up early, so maybe we bring back NY. Chat, we have news in an hour. Should I stay on for news? We can stay on for news, maybe. Oh, wait, actually, can I stay on for news? Do I have a call? I think I have a meeting at 5, Cyprus time. It's been said you can see 5-minute market price in the future wearing 4 glasses. Yeah, each time I put on a pair of glasses, oh, fuck. It makes me, what, 4 times more profitable? Chat, I'm about to have 10 million funded within the next hour. All right, this is too much. Wait. Right, 1. It's really difficult to balance these on my head. I have a big head, chat. The glasses don't really stay on. Wait, this one has to go above, I think. Oh, chat, I figured it out. All right, here we go. Number 5. Oh, chat. Got that 9 3/4 time frame switched on. Yeah, I'm about to be trading on the -1 minute time frame. I'm trading in the past. That's fucking crazy. Right, chat. Enough silliness now. All right, this is a serious trading stream. And it needs to remain that way, all right? You guys have let me down. I just bought man, send it to the moon. Right, I'll just full market buy right now and I'll move the market for you. Don't worry. I think this might continue up here though, chat. I can't lie. Look at this 2-hour time frame. Have bad news, brother. That platform does not support my country that I'm from. Where are you from? So I can give it to you back. Chat, the infinite giveaway ×2. Chat. Tajikistan, is it? Give bro an ACG account? I don't have an ACG account to give away, unfortunately. Uzbekistan, okay. This is ridiculous. Chat, I can't give away a fucking account. Maybe I'll just full margin it on stream. Stansted? Would not want to be there. Stansted, no, Stansted's a terrible airport. What was I thinking of? Gatwick's alright. Chat, I can't even give away a fucking account right now. It's insane. How am I meant to do that? I'll take it. I'm in Crete now and Greece is on the green list. Yeah. Mr. Time Traveler. Streaming during MY. Time traveling. What's good, DK? Gatwick's a trek. Gatwick's, the airport lounge at Gatwick is fucking beautiful though, I can't lie. It's better than the Heathrow one. Incoming airport lounge comment. Gatwick is 30 minutes for me as class. Yeah, it's like an hour and a bit for me. What's an airport lounge? What do you mean, man? Bro, airport lounges are a cheat code, I can't lie. Even if you don't have like an Amex or whatever, or you're not flying business, just pay for the airport lounge, it's the cheat code. It's like 30 quid. You're gonna spend that on food in the airport anyway, realistically. And you don't have to sit with all the people. That's ridiculous. But it's true. Didn't expect to see you streaming MY. I think I might make it a regular thing right now, I can't lie. I think we might make MY streams the vibe. British Airways Amex is a cheat code? Yeah, I have the same one. I have the exact same one. All the people is wild. Yeah, what I was actually going to say was something even worse, but somehow it supports Tajikistan, but not Uzbekistan. Do we get airport lounges? Nah, Jed, you don't. You get airport lounges with the platinum card. Are you still giving Jeds away? I've got 2 Apex accounts to give away now. I hear it. Yeah, I was gonna say something much fucking worse. Right, wait, 2 times Apex account giveaway at the end of stream. Get Revolut, you get free lounges for you and pay like, yeah, I've seen that. I don't think it works on the, because I have a business Revolut, but I don't know if you get it on that. Revolut's actually like a cheat code as well, especially if you take like international currency like I do. Like a lot of the transactions that I have to make to pay editors and all that shit is like international. Bro, it's such a cheat code. You can just pay in any currency. I got Revolut as well. Bro, Jed, stop shotting your points offer for Amex. Side hustles on side hustles out here, chat. If we're going to be using an Amex affiliate code, it's going to be mine, realistically. I'm sending it in. I'm joking. Chat, we're like rejecting at this level right now. You have a 15-minute close here in about 5 minutes. Amex is shit though, because you can't use it in like Europe really. Like Italy doesn't really accept it. Cyprus doesn't accept it. Streaming NY from now on? What do we think, chat? Maybe. I think so. We'll test it out at least for a couple of weeks. Amex, NY's got 63% of the vote. I just like streaming because it breaks up my morning. Like London session in the morning breaks it up nicely, but maybe I can get up and go gym before London session. That'd be crazy. That might be the move. But then I get bored in the afternoon, you know. Speaking about cards, yeah, like credit cards, yeah. Not financial advice. I think I have to say that. Look at that 1 minute rejection as well. Surely we got to talk about Paul Allen's card. My card's better than Paul Allen's card. What a reference that is, though. That's a running joke for you, DK. Every day we talk about Paul Allen's card. Sounds like an innuendo, it's not. Martin Gale told me that. Martin Gale's, he knows nothing about finances. He's got no idea. Chat, I want to see some clear closures. Again, we're just closing, respecting and rejecting from this level now. I want to watch what this 15 close does. I also just want to see, to be honest, the best thing for us right now would be this closure above on the 1 hour, but I don't know if we're going to get anything here. Not right now. I mean, not in general. I mean right now. It should print us a setup later on in the day. The next like 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, chat, this is interesting. So yeah, we'll give away 2 Apex accounts towards the end of the stream, fuck it. Because I know that the ones that are here till the end of the stream are actually the OGs. Oh, chat. See? Pushing down right now. I think we might be ranging until news. To be honest. Above the 15-minute resistance buy is not valid. It could be. Like here, right? Yeah, that 5's not nice. 1 hour's not nice either, really. Because chat, the 1 hour grabbed all that liquidity and is still struggling to push, right? That should tell you something, right? Because essentially, even though we grabbed all this liquidity, we're still struggling to push. Rubbing my hands, the casino's about to open. Yeah, you do have news in 45 minutes as well. So we're probably waiting for news now, chat. Oh, when's my meeting? I forgot to check that. Oh, chat. Wait, let me ask if I can push it back a little bit. Actually, we'll see, we'll see. I don't even know if I want to stay on for news. I'm obviously not going to trade news, right? We might be waiting for 2:30 open. Yeah, potentially. $15-minute closure here, though, in like, what? 1 minute? Yeah, we'll see what NYC does in about, how long is that? 17 minutes. Thank you, thank you, Rays. And then we'll see what it does and go from there. NYC should bring volume, right? I'm not gonna trade news. So no real reason for me to stay on for that. Chat, has anyone taken anything today though? Anyone got any good positions? Let me know. When are you gonna trade with Patrick, the BDH? Fuck knows, bro. It's a long way away from me. Two gold cells? Nice, congrats. Hopefully they played out. 11.3%, that's monster day. What the fuck? 11%. Chat, 15 close weak bullish. Like, quite weak as well. 5-minute close bearish. BE sells for London. W. Chat, what about the rest of you guys? I'm full-time unemployed. Same for me actually. I'm technically unemployed. Technically unemployed. I might just start telling people I'm unemployed, you know. I think that could be the move. 2 times 30 pips earlier. Not forcing out. Not forcing out now. Kid. Good shit. PA looked too sharp to look for anything, was mainly taking notes for the night. W, Renter, good stuff, man. Learning or earning, you gotta be one or the other. Is our kid, I think that's more of a Sheffield thing, right? I'm unemployable. Wrong neck of the woods? Yeah, our kid's more northern, isn't it? What do they say? What do they say? Can't remember. I'm unemployable. Yeah, actually, am I employable? Probably not anymore. Our kid is mank. Yeah, you're right. I think Chef said that as well. Just trying to think. It's a lot of rates. Our kid is Leeds. I think the whole of the north is going to claim it as theirs, right? All of the north is pretty much the same, right? Manchester, Leeds, Sheffield. I'm getting some serious shit for saying that, but it's basically all the same. Wait, chat's disappeared. Alright, there we go. Wait, is it back? Unsubscribe, there you go. Our kid competition going on right now? Yeah, who owns our kid? What did they say? What? I went to uni in Leicester where they used to say loads of, there was so much slang there, bro. I used to remember it all, but now can't remember it. All rate. Now that's chef as well, isn't it? Like rate. That's more like Leeds, Sheffield. They say duck as well. Like me doc. I don't know. Fucking English slang is the weirdest. Anyway, we're pushing down here, chat. Pushing down. Again, we're in like no man's land right now. There's no real positions here. You can't really be taking buys. You can't really be taking sells. We're just sort of consolidating, forming a range. If you look at the 1 minute, you're going to see, yeah, the 1 minute is just consolidating here. So I presume we're either going to be waiting right now for the for the New York Open, or we're going to be waiting for that essentially news in about 45 minutes here. So one or the other is going to probably give us that push. For right now, though, I don't think there's going to be any trades for the next 12 minutes. We need to see the volume. If it sets up and closes above right on the NY Open, that'd be great. Otherwise, I think that'll be me done for the session. The only trade that came close to being like a potential setup was this one here. And if this closed like 3 or 4 pips higher, we would have been in. Right? But it didn't, so you can't complain about that one. Otherwise, yeah, there was not really anything. Think you better in Geo in NY than London? I guess we'll have to test it out. We'll have to do some... I need to journal my GeoGuessr wins from London session. We should have kept the journal, you know. Oh, you know what we should have done? We should have kept like a leaderboard of who's won the most games. And then like, at the end of the year, we could do like a prize. That would have been sick. We can still do that, to be fair. Big things. Chat, look at it, it's all up here, man. Someone can still check that. Yeah, they could, to be fair, if they had the effort to do it. But personally, I don't have the energy for that. I think Gondi's leading. Do you think he's still holding the lead from back in the day? He hasn't played for a long, long time. Back in the day, you know, like it wasn't like 3 months or something. Jed has time, he has accounts just flying in. True. Jed doesn't actually work a job, he's a full-time giveaway winner. He just goes around the globe entering giveaways. Gondi drives the Google car. Yeah, he must do, bro. Reacting a 5-minute order block. I don't know what an order block is. Is it this? Maybe. Or is it this? Again, I don't know. Or is it this? I don't need to know though, chat. So don't tell me. Just saw geese flying in a crescent formation instead of a V. Must be in the wrong dimension. Yeah, it must be, bro. All the geese are... Yeah, all the geese are in the wrong dimension. Maybe they accidentally got transported. I don't know. Coded my name into the giveaway 1,000 times. Smart. Bro's hacked the giveaway. There's definitely people that go around just entering giveaways for a living. Actually, probably not. We call them women? Crazy. Coupon collector? Yeah, true. Zoom in on the 1 minute. All right. What next? What's the next step? Whoa. A little more? Okay, okay. I can't see. Next step. I'm waiting. Dale. What's this? What price action? What's this telling me? I can't read the 1 minute as well. I can't even draw on this. He's so zoomed in. Oh wait, we got a new 1 minute open. Uh-oh. Chat, I think this one's bearish. We made a bottom wick for sure. Let's scroll up. Oh, chat, we're in the wick now. I think he's making a bottom wick here. Let's see, can we get to the flip? Oh shit, what have I done? Chat, how far away is this fucking flip? All right, we just went up by, was that? This is 10 cents. All right, this is going too far. That was 1 cent difference. Crazy. Too much energy? Not quite. Not much, you donut? My bad. Might need to change the poll vote to London. Nah. NY's still winning. Good stream? Good stream, I agree. Cat, should we make a mill though? Let's just figure out a way we can make a mill right now. How many, right. Let's catch a million with 10 pips, right? So you need 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 10 pips, so divided by 10, right? So that's 100,000. Divided by 10 again for $10 per pip. So we need 10,000 lots. 10 pips, it's a mill right there. Killed me with the definitely made a bottom wick. How far is the flip? Yeah, I was trying to do some price action reading, to be honest. Maths, this guy's no joke. Serious traders here, chat. We actually are serious traders, that's the thing. People that are new to the stream right now are gonna be like, what the fuck's going on? But I promise you, chat, I'm profitable, I promise. I promise. Wait. Now it's dumping. Dale, we got you. We got you. I flipped the script. It's dumping, my bro. Inverted. Motherfuckers came into pip and dip, just saw some giant candles instead. Yeah, I know. 4 minute for the 30-minute closure in NY Open. I know. I'm still locked in, chat. Don't you worry. I know we're having a bit of fun right here, but I'm still locked in. I think if you close above this high on the New York Open, we can look at some positions here. Wait. Yeah. I think that's the one, chat. If we close above here, should take you up towards the top of the range. After a bottom wick, that's going to be another market structure shift. Take you up to the top of the range. Chat, 2 seconds. Yeah, I'll be back in a sec. Alright, we're back. Better not have been any silliness whilst I was gone, chat. Alright, no, we're good. We are pushing down here, chat. See, this level is holding so strong here at 61. So strong. 2 hours to the 5 minute closure. Bro, chat's gone left today, I can't lie. Chat's gone fully left. Yeah, we are ripping down here, I can't lie. God, Dale's got us both here. Can't lie, I said it wasn't going to push down. I actually didn't say that. What was that, chat? We've got some chat beef right now. I don't actually think it's beef. It's actually just ranging right now. Like, it's actually just in a range between these two areas. It's not going to do either. Zoomed in or out, not seeing a position here for me. Yeah, it's just ranging. I think we're going to watch the NY Open, see if it does anything interesting with volume. Otherwise, I'll call it. So we've got basically like a minute and a half left. See what we do. But chat, I think tomorrow we're going to do a New York stream as well. We'll be on New York for tomorrow, I think. I don't think NYSE Open has as much of an impact for gold as it does for stuff like NQ. Because this COMEX actually does everything. I think we just continue to range here, to be honest, till news. Yeah, exactly, High Life. Exactly. Oh, yeah. Imagine it's like just a crazy news push right now. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. What is the news expected to be today, though, chat? Like, Jolt's job openings, I'm not really that familiar with it, but are we looking at a push up or down for gold? I don't even know. Expecting 7.1, 7.11. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency, which means it'd be bad for gold. I think it's going to be good for gold then, personally. I think gold will push up. That's a guess based off of zero fundamental knowledge whatsoever. There we are, chat. Chat. Oh, by the way, chat, make sure you go after stream and watch the new vlog, because I posted a vlog yesterday. This shit is a super valuable vlog. All right, 30-minute. Ooh, chat. Chat, NY did do some business. Mr. Dale with the prediction right there. Respect it. I respect it. It's gone. But chat, is this a liquidity grab? That's the question. Is this the old flipperoonie? I already bought for the news based on your fundamental analysis. Yeah, W. This could quite easily be a liquidity grab, right? How far are we away from the lows? Yeah, I don't know, chat. We'll see. All right, chat. I think, personally, I think that is me done. Fair enough, Dale. They're walking around like McGregor right now. Bro, it's hitting the... That one, we love it. All right, chat. Look, that's it from me today. I can't lie. We're going to play a GeoGuessr game real quick just to end off the stream. But if you did enjoy, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're in the free Discord as well. And yeah, other than that, chat, unfortunately no positions today. But again, no setups. Price action was very, very poor today. So yeah, first of all, make sure you go check out the new vlog after the stream. Secondly, let me give you guys the link to this. Yo, buffering or what? Yeah, I have 2 GB per second internet and YouTube's buffering safe. Oh, giveaway. Shit, yeah, giveaway. All right. Chat, I forgot about the giveaway. Shit, that was the most important part. All right. You know what? We'll do one today and we'll save one for New York tomorrow as well, because I want to do 2 and I only have 2 accounts to give away for this week. All right? So we'll do one today, one tomorrow. Type in chat. Here, all the giveaway worms come out the woodwork right now. Chat, type a message in chat so you're eligible. You fucking leeches. You giveaway leeches. All right. All right, chat. See, look at this rejection right now as well. All right, Floop. That's an insane reference right there. All right, Let's see what it is, chat. Typed it in the chat. And the winner is... Oh. Jed Touch Me is crazy. That's a crazy message right there to see. That's so crazy. I presume Jar's going to want to re-roll. Chat, I actually cannot give away a fucking account. Yeah, re-roll. All right, chat, re-roll again for the 5th millionth time. 3, 2, 1. What's good now? Yeah, New York streams from now on, I think. And the winner is Dale. No way. The boy, Mr. Price Action himself. Dale don't need it. He's won it. Enough said. W Dale. All right, Dale, you got to DM me on Instagram. Or Discord, either one. Come on. Yeah, W's. All right, chat. Look, that is going to be it for me today. Oh, no, we've got to play the GeoGuessr as well. Fucking hell, it's an action-packed stream right now, chat. Action-packed. How is someone already in this?
Connection lost.
Connection lost. Ninja Trader. Holy. Ripperoonies right now, chat. Ripperoonies right now. All right, chat.
Connection lost.
Connection lost again. Right, I'm going to close Ninja Trader real quick. Just message you. Got it, brother, yeah. I'll send it in a sec. Chat, you got like a minute to join the GeoGuessr right now. We're going to play one game and then that's going to be it. Probably shouldn't whistle into the mic. All right. 10 seconds chat and I'm starting the game. Remember what I said though. Make sure you go check out the new vlog if you haven't already. If you're dipping right now, you should go straight onto that, right? Nowhere else. All right, chat. Let's start the game. Someone definitely just missed out there by accident. I started a bit too early. My bad, chat. Sammy is not tolerated here. That's not the nickname we're going for. Chat, something's screaming. This could be like the Lake Districts or somewhere, but something's screaming Mongolia to me. I don't know why. I'm going to stick it somewhere in the middle of Mongolia. Oh! Chat, I'm the fucking best at this game. I'm actually the fucking best. Get cooked. Wait, Nels beat me. Wait, Nels... Got closer, fair enough. Can't hate it, to be honest. Cannot hate that. Street signs, unless Gandhi's here, yeah, true. Oh no. Oh no, chat, I did not mean to go underneath. Get me back up. I need a sign or something. Ah, somewhere up here. I've got no clue. Oh, chat. Get it in. Raise. Oh, yeah, you know where that is. Fair. I know exactly where that is. Raise, you should have told me before it came out. Okay, built on a Swedish. That makes sense. Someone got it. Someone must be Swedish. Is that a frozen lake? language is this? Wait. I just saw a sign. What language are you in? Poland, maybe? Belarus, Lithuania. Where it gets cold like that? It could be far. Fuck off, is that Czechia? Not interested in that anymore, chat. Any better games? This is gay. It's only gay if you're bad at it. That's the rules with GeoGuessr, unfortunately. Oh, there's a sign over here. I see it. I'm coming for it. Chat, look, I'm hunting these out like it's no one's business. Is that? It's not the UK, is it? Oh, it's Ireland. Yeah, man. Get me involved. Get me involved, chat. What a guess. I was actually so fucking close to that. Last second, I saw the Irish language popping up. Jed, you said my name. Check trading chat. I can't. I'm in a heated game of GeoGuessr right now. Virginia Barn. Oh, it's got to be like, is it the Cotswolds? Isle of Man. I'll take it. Relatively close. Oh, yes. Come on, son. Chat, we'll take a first place any day of the week. Why am I checking trading, chat? Thoughts? Could work. Could work. I'm staying out till news, though, to be honest. Chat, look. Listen up here, man. That's it from me today. Chat, much love. What a stream. A very, very valuable stream. Very fun stream as well. Listen, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, chat. Much love. And bye-bye. See you later. See you tomorrow for NY, by the way. NY stream tomorrow as well. See you then, chat.